Go ahead, show me the Filipino power. Are you Filipino? Yes.
And name.
You with names as well. No
Okay.
problem. SirJay.
Okay din.
Yalla, zay ba.
Hello! Dahil excited kami lumabas na aking kasama, so from Cairo Hotel ay maglalakbay kami papunta sa isa sa mga kilalang souvenir shop dito sa Egypt. Tara, samahan nyo kami para makita natin kung ano bang meron sa shop na ito.
So this we call it Papyrus plant. It grows in the river Nile. It has 4 meters and 20% of sugar in the inside part. To make paper from, like ferrostine, we cut it into the size we need, this way. We have 4 meters, so we can do different sizes as you see. Then we remove the green part. This part here, if you'd like to feel it, to touch it, excuse me, sir. If you pull it like this, you can try it. If you'd like, pull it like this. Go ahead, show me the Filipino power. Are you Filipino? Yes. It's you are strong, but it's unbreakable. It doesn't break. In the same time, it's flexible as well. That's why in ancient times they used this part to make sandals, baskets, hats, bags. But the inner one is more important because it's the one for making the paper, the inner part. We cut it into strips like these. But the problem, it's not strong like the other, not flexible, because there is water inside. To make water out, in ancient times they used the hammer like this. But now we use this rolling pin. It's much easier than the hammer. After water came out, it started to be stronger and more flexible. Then we keep it again in pure water for 7 days to reduce the sugar from 20% to only 5%. In this way, they start to be sticky, and when we press them in the press, they stick together naturally, without any glue, without any chemicals. And this is the reason why papyrus paper never fade. If you go to the Egyptian museum, you can see papers like these since 5,000 years, because they had no glue, they had no chemicals. Then between 2 pieces of carpets, we put our stuff in 2 layers, horizontally and vertically. You get your tea first.
Is the tradition?
Yes, we call it Egyptian whiskey. Here you can see that the color changed by time. The new one is white, but after a week take this yellowish color. If we keep it longer for 2 weeks, take dark color like that stuff there to give all the look. So put our stuff weaved like this, crisscross. Then we cover all, putting them under press for 1 more week, another week here. But this machine here is modern machine. In ancient times, instead of this, they used big stones. So after 2 weeks in total, we have a paper like this. This is the first kind of paper. والنبي عمر ممكن تجيب لي الشاي بتاعي بس. This is the first kind of paper in the human history ever. It's 100% natural, no glue, no chemical. That's why it lasts for life. If you go to the Egyptian museum, you can see papers like this since 5,000 years. And also painters can use any kind of color. We can use bold color, cold color, water color, any kind of color. But please try to be careful, because in some touristic places like Khan Khalili Bazaar, Cairo, Sharm el-Sheikh, Luxor, Aswan, Hurghada, Suez Canal area, there are small places, see something look like these, but they are not original. They are made of banana. The other ones, if you pull it like this, gonna be clear, not strong like this. And the pictures are printed, not done by hand as here. That's why the government here, to make better protection for tourists, established our museum here. This place under control of the government. That's why travel agency come with tourists here, because this trusted place. In case if you'd like to have any of these pictures for your house or gift for somebody, you will get guarantee with it, say it's original and hand painted one. Also, if you have any, it would come in tube like this to be easy to carry. With official stamps also here for no tax at the airport. This price here including everything. After we finish making paper, we send them to the Academy of Fine Arts in Cairo University to these pictures. We have here so many. Everyone has a story behind. Now I am going to give you an idea about the masterpieces we have.
Okay.
Okay, come to give the names for the painter. If you'd like to watch how he do the art, come. Right, for the lady the names, please.
No,
Your name first?
My father and mother.
Okay, your father's name?
Only first name or
Only first name.
for the okay, hi.
انت تجيبي لك سندوتش جبنه رومي واحد سلامات.
انا بحب هنا لو مسكت.
بتاع سكول طعم.
Susan. My mother's name. Possible after this.
Sorry?
Take photos.
For this? Yes, after finish with finish.
طب اللي عملت
لا مش عارف.
ليه بس عملت ده؟ عزمنا ده.
ربنا يخليك.
Snake, huh?
عايز أربعة ضرع
حاجة أشيل لي نص جنيه. Want also offer ask him in Filipino.
Do you like? Later maybe you think you can go.
Take it.
So all your names is like this?
Now we do the Arabic. We use Arabic. This was used in ancient Egyptian time, Pharaoh's time.
So he's a very educated person.
Yes, not everybody know this language now in Egypt. Only the artists, the people who study art or history. Oh, but the majority of Egyptians, they don't know anything about this because they don't teach this in school.
Yeah.
انت عايز تاكل البيتزا ولا ثلاثة بطاطس؟ لا انت عندك
So this one will last up to how many years?
Many thousand years.
If you
Never
put
fail.
so possible to write also this one? Small?
English?
Yeah, here, down.
ما تقرا ولا خلاص بسرعة بعد ما تشوفها له.
Only small. How about this? Can it write my name for free?
If you persuade him to take offer like you, I do your name.
Yeah, much better. So if I come back
Persuade him
again.
to take even if he takes small one, I do for you the name you ask, and I do for him his name in this, just for 10. One for 10.
Okay. It's mine now, so
يا سعود فينك يا سعود؟ بقيت تجيب كتير يا سعود، شكلك كده جوزت جديد وايه رحت تهبق عند
sige, okay na
الجديدة.
para isang lang naman to.
Here?
This here, what here?
Is which one is the youngest?
The youngest is this.
Okay.
Nothing more,
How about it long? The name is long.
No, she is clever enough.
Okay.
And you are illness enough.
This the youngest and this the...
No chance, my friend?
Thank you, sir.
عايز تشيلي أحمد شيل. So if you don't mind, please, till she do the art, come to pay,
Okay.
save money, fine.
فلوسك معايا يا بنت. فلوسك معايا. اليوم دفعتها ساعة ولا لسه؟ أنا لسه. واستنى بقى لما يجي عمر يجي. بس لو عايز تكون فلوس الفطار يجي مع بكرة. هو لسه بقى ما لسه هيبعتوا يصوروا ويبعتوا بعد كده يلموا.
بعد كده والله كنت بتقتل بس مش قوي بصراحة. JEFFREY.
Also write this morning.
No English? No. Listen, it will be very busy. I give you this. This you will find each letter and each
okay,
symbol
okay.
in English, and to know the meanings as well. Please give to you.
Okay, thank you. I'm ready here, huh? Sige tayo. Para buwan Papyrus. So this one is being the
Yes. Cool.
pagawin sa dito ka.
This is the guarantee for 7,000 years, not more.
Ah, okay. Not one each.
No, it
three.
must be one tube to be tax free. If you do it in tubes, they think you do commerce, they take 60%
Okay.
tax from you.
So,
Safe
no,
for you.
no tax, ah?
No, like this, no.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay.